What's up guys, Matt here. Hey, me and Mitch, we're out here at something that we call the Chili Cook-Off. Probably hard for you to see, but we'll get some cool drone footage for you. And it's basically a ginormous party out here on the lake. You only get this in small towns in the Midwest. But woke up this morning seeing a bunch of Facebook posts of people that were gonna be here, people I went to school with, all that kind of stuff, saying thank God it's the weekend. You know, literally Mitch and I just had a conversation. The guy's like, it's Saturday, of course I'm drinking, right? People are living for the weekend. And 5 years ago I started a home service business just like you, and I had a vision that I wanted to be able to make money, have freedom of my time, not be tied down to the 9 to 5 of a job I hate like 90 or 95% of these people here living for the weekend. And I just want to encourage you, man, it's freaking possible. While all these people were out partying the last 5 years, I was working, okay? And you guys have to be doing the same thing. You can get to where you want to be, it just takes sacrifice. So this is my message to you guys. If you want your dream bad enough, you're gonna have to sacrifice and suffer short term for a long-term gain. A lot of these people out here were never willing to do that, and that's why they're trapped in the whole I can't wait for the weekend mindset. Literally every single Monday I can't wait to go to work because I love what I do. I love the businesses I own and I love the freedom I have, and I want that for you guys. And I just want to make this video encouraging to let you know that it is possible, but it takes sacrifice and it will be a little bit of suffering for you for the first couple of years. Suffer your finances, suffer your time. You're gonna have things like this going on that you can't go to because you're doing stuff for your business because you know that's what it takes to get you to where you wanna be. So that's the message I have today. Suck it up while your friends are out partying and having fun. Get to work on your company because I guarantee you long term it'll pay off.